Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at Betreklike Voornaamwoorde, and this is your relative pronouns. How did I know it's a pronoun? That is because we know that nouns starts with an N and naamwoorde starts with an N, so we know naamwoord is noun. So if we have something in front of the naamwoord, we know, okay, it's something else. It is a naamwoord, it is a noun, but this one is a pronoun. Betreklike Voornaamwoorde. Alright, so I have about 9 steps to successfully decide which pronoun to use. Right. So we're going to use these two sentences. Die hond blaf in die straat, die hond ontsnap uit die erf. And we're going to follow these 9 steps to decide which relative pronoun do we use. So now I know in grade 8 and grade 9, you'll still probably use these steps because it's new to you, right? But when you get to grade 11 and 12, these pronouns or relative pronouns is going to come automatically to you, right? You'll know exactly which one to use. So let's just follow the steps and let's see, right? So step 1, underline the subject in both sentences. So what is our sentences? Die hond blaf in die straat, die hond ontsnap uit die erf. So die hond, right? Die hond is the person or the animal in this case that's doing the bluffing and the ontsnapping. So die hond is our subject. So we've underlined it, right? Cross out the repeated subject words in the second sentence. So what is our second sentence? This is our second sentence, so we're going to cross it out. Right, why are they telling us this? Let's see. Step 3, copy the first sentence and stop immediately after the underlined word. So I'm assuming they're saying just write down the subject, right? So underlined words was die hond, and they tell us stop as soon as you've written down the underlined words. Die hond. Cross out the first verb in the second sentence and write it at the end of the second sentence. Okay, let's do that. This is our second sentence. What is our verb? Ontsnap. So they say, okay, cross it out here and write it here. Okay, let's do that. Ontsnap, guys, not onstap. Ontsnap. Step 5. Is there a preposition right in front of the underlined part of the second sentence? Let's go check. So we look at the second sentence. Is there a preposition right in front of it? No. We have straat. So if no, skip step 5. Okay, cool. We don't have to do this step. But if there was a preposition, then you would say preposition plus V for people and var plus the preposition for animals and things. And remember, if you have var met, it's var meer. If you have var plus vir, you have var voor. But we didn't have step 5. So we skip step 5, right? Because we did not have a preposition in front of the underlined part. So in front of the subject, there was no preposition. Step 6. Is there a s or a possession in the second sentence? So possession is like haar, hulle, sy. So we look at the second sentence. Is there a s or a possession? Nope. If no, skip step 6. But if there was a s or a possession word, we will say wisse for people and waarvan die for animals and things. But we don't have step 6. Step 7. Alright. So, if step 6 is no, then we will use wat for people, animals, and things. So what are we going to do? We're going to add wat. Why? Because we didn't have step 5. We didn't have any prepositions in our first sentence, or right before our underlined part in our second sentence. We didn't have any s or possession in our second sentence. So we only have step 7, which is for all things, for people, for animals and things. So we add wat. So we add wat here. Then what do they tell us? They tell us add the second sentence. What was our second sentence? Remember, we removed this and now we removed that to the end. So it's wat uit die ontsnap. Then are there any more words after the underlined words in the first sentence? If no, you put a full stop. If yes, you add a comma and add those words. So in our first sentence, do we still have words left after the underlined word? Remember, we've already dealt with that one. So yes, we do have. So they say add a comma and add the rest of the words. and full stop. Now you have successfully used a relative pronoun in combining these two sentences. Die hond wat uit die erf ontsnap, blaf in die straat. And that's it, guys. That's how you would combine these two sentences by using the correct relative pronoun. And remember, step 5 and step 6 is very, very important, because when you have a preposition, you will use wie or waar. When you have a possession or a se, you will use wisse or waarvan die. But I think the easiest one would just be to use wat. All right, so just check what do you have in your second sentence, and then you will be okay. All right, guys, that's it for now. See ya.